Ulugh Beg. Ulugh Beg was a Timurid astronomer, mathematician, and sultan. His name also appears as Ulugh Bey, Ulugh Beg, and Ulugh Beg. The grandson of the conqueror Taimur the Lame and the oldest son of Shah Rukh, both of whom came from the Turkic Barlas tribe of Transoxiana. Ulugh Beg was born in Sultania in modern-day Iran. His own particular interests concentrated on astronomy. In 1428, he built an enormous observatory called the Gurkhani Zij. Similar to Tycho Brahe's later Uraniborg. Lacking telescopes to work with, he increased his accuracy by increasing the length of his sextant. The so-called Fakhri sextant, and a radius of circa 36 meters, and the optical separability of 180. In 1437, Ulugh Beg determined the length of the sidereal ear as 365.2570370D equals to 365D 6H 10M 8S. In his measurements within many years, he used a 50-meter high gnomon. Ulugh Beg was also notable for his work in astronomy-related mathematics, such as trigonometry and spherical geometry. Vasily Andreev. Vasily Andreev was a famous Russian musician with responsible modern and traditional folk instruments. He knew how to play them. Moreover, in this field, he is known as a father of folk musicians. He had done his academic on folk instruments in Europe. He also knew how to play orchestra, which includes the string, playing with the 6 different types of balalaika. Each of them is named after his playing technique that he invented for it. There is also an instrument that he loved to play, which is customized heavily only for him, and he knew how to work it in an orchestra. He became famous. His orchestra, with string, was known for his music, and many followers from all around the world would love to watch and come to see this orchestra plays. This was done only a few years from the establishment of this music play in 1881. Vladimir Davidovich Baranov-Rosin. Vladimir Davidovich Baranov-Rosin, born in 1888, was a revolutionary Russian-born French painter, inventor, and an avant-garde artist. Apart from his excellence in art, Vladimir Davidovich
Baron of Rosen, is also known as the inventor of the optophonic piano, pointillist, or dynamic military camouflage.
Vitaly Abalakov. Vitaly Abalakov was a great Soviet mountaineer and also an inventor of ice protecting device. This device is named V-thread by taking the first letter of his inventor. He was a great Soviet climber too. He worked really hard on the method of protecting an individual while climbing icy mountains. His inventions have proved to be a revolution for the mountain climbers. This device is highly used as a measure of safety and considered to be an innovative invention for ice climbing. This device allows the climber to expand his range. That helps him climb tough heights in the mountains. Abalakov made his first Soviet device in the year 1934 and 2 extra ascents for mountains in the year 1936. After a few years, his team fellow members were publicly accused by the police on an open propaganda, which is a technique in the western areas for climbing mountains. This was the biggest diminishing point in his field. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.